The thunder stick. It's like a sparkler but big. It's gonna the one that changes colors and yeah.
What color is that, Cooper?
It's gonna like change it green.
Watch it change color.
It's gonna go like green and then it's gonna go start lighting. Well, the last one was green.
Thunder stick.
Anytime now. Anytime.
Well, it's gonna it's gonna go another color and then it's gonna light. See? Yellow, green. It's like a yellow green.
Roger, get over here.
Seriously, Roger.
Roger, come here. Get over here.
Starting drama, Roger.
Hey Isaac, come by, little Isaac, come by the house tomorrow. I'll have something for him. All right, buddy.
See, Joe?
Thunder stick.
White.
Yeah, Statue of Liberty.
Woo!
With the buzz down.
Ow.
Roger, get over.
I mean, Roger. And it smells burnt.
That's it.
And that's it.
I got those 2 killer bees, but I'm kind of scared of what they're going to do.
Why?
Hi, baby.
Because they said the bees fly out.
Sit.
The killer
Lay
bees.
down. Down. Roger.
No, how about we all
There's bees attached to the side.
Oh, yeah. Put that way down.
I'm wondering what they do.
How about we all just get inside?
Yeah.
All right, killer bees. We're all afraid. We're all afraid of killer bees now. And I'm recording.
Roger, lay down.
So if the cops say what happened,
Because.
if the cops say what happens,
Oh, right.
run inside, Isaac.
I did that with my recording.
Ew, it's like a Piccolo Pete. Ew.
Lay down. Lay down. Down.
Where did my child go?
Do you not see?
Is that behind me? Where?
Isaac, step back.
Oh man, my. You like that one, puppy?
Here we go. Red, green, red.
Oh God, I'm so scared. I'm holding my iPad really tight.
Okay.
When
I
Oh,
think
is
it was
that
just
Cooper?
a little noise. Yeah, the noise, and that was
Sit
it.
down. Lay down.
Why are you gonna do it next to it? Run! Is that the killer bee too?
Yeah.
Ugh, I hate that noise. Ew.
This one sounds better.
Yeah, it does.
Rosie hates fireworks.
Where's Rosie?
No,
This
the dog.
Rosie. This
Oh.
My sister.
You got a little mix up there.
How's that, Cooper? Look at all the colors. Red, green, white.
And it's going down. I say it's time for the glitter one because I really want that one.
Hit the golden shower.
Lay down. Lay down.
What's next then?
That was funny. Rosie is afraid of fireworks.
That's all we got.
But where is Rosie?
Thank you.
What about my fountain?
We did it.
No, what about the glitter fountain?
We did
Come on, big boy.
No, it shoots out glitter.
That's all gone. All done. See? They're all done.
Oh,